For the derivatives of trig functions, we're going to use what we already know to find the derivatives in order to find trig function derivatives. So, the derivative of basic sine x is going to be cosine x, and the basic cosine x derivative is negative sine x. However, when it's not just x, the derivative of sine is going to be cosine of u and the derivative of whatever u is. For cosine of u derivative, it's going to be negative cosine of u times the derivative of whatever u is. So for example, cosine of 4x, we're going to use the chain rule here. Which is the outer function multiplied by the derivative of the outer function multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. So, the derivative of the outside function is negative sine 4x times the derivative of 4x, which is just 4. So the derivative of f of x is equal to negative 4 sine 4x. Now for this one, it's a little more complicated because we're going to use the product rule, which is f prime of g plus g prime of f. Or I wrote that backwards. F g prime. There we go. Okay, so f prime of x equals the derivative of sine, which is cosine x. This one is f and this one is g, times g plus f, which is sine x, times the derivative of g, which is negative sine x. And then we're going to multiply those out and simplify that. It's going to be cosine x squared plus, nope, because of this negative, it's going to be negative minus sine x squared. Because this whole thing is squared.